Hi everybody, good decision that you have reached here. Jodi ଆପଣ ଏଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ try to watch the full video. Okay, please do not scroll this because this is not a Instagram reel or motivational video. I'm going to talk to the point. If you are an Odia and just like me, and if you have come from Odia medium school just like me, let me tell you that speaking in English with confidence should not be a problem for you because you are from Odia medium school. Sorry, I will not agree to that. ଯଦି ଆପଣ ବି ସେଇଟା ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡ଼ିୟମ୍ ସ୍କୁଲରୁ ଆସିଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୋର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମଟା ହେଉଛି କନଫିଡେନ୍ସରେ, you are not correct. Why you are not correct? Because wherever your attention goes, your energy flows and your success shows. Remember this. Wherever your attention goes, your energy automatically flows and your success shows. So if you have not been able to confidently express yourself in English, there is only one reason. The medium is not a problem. Hindi medium, Odia medium, Korean medium, Telugu medium, Tamil medium, doesn't matter. What really matters is you have not been able to focus on improving English. So let me tell you couple of more points before you go ahead and join the session. Okay, there are live sessions happening from Monday to Friday between 5:30 to 6 p.m. to improve your English fluency. That is called the silver level. We have three levels: the silver, the gold, the diamond. I'm going to talk about the silver level. Silver level hela to improve your fluency, mane confidence in speaking in English. Gold level hela public speaking. Diamond level hela professional communication. But let's not talk about public speaking and professional communication now. If you are here to improve your fluency, then I need your 100 days of commitment. Yes, 100 days, 5 days a week, half an hour each day. 5:30 to 6 p.m. live classes. If you are unable to attend, don't worry, recording will be provided to you. Online application in Android and iPhone are already available. What is the price? The price is 1000 rupees for 100 days. That means 10 rupees a day, bandhugana. You just have to spend 10 rupees a day for 100 days. In 1000 rupees, you will not only get 100 days of access, you will get lifetime live class access. So after 100 days pore jetole eta repeat hobo outre next challenge 100 days ro start hobo, you can attend it for free of cost. Is it a good deal? Yes, it is, of course, because 10 ଟଙ୍କା ଯଦି ଆମେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିପାରୁଛେ ଆଉ ଅଧ ଘଣ୍ଟା ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ବାହାରି କରିପାରୁଛେ ତାହେଲେ ଆମର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ହେବାଟା ହେବ. Now let me tell you some points. Transformation hobbo kimti. Why are we not able to speak in English? Even if we studied English since childhood, why are we not able to get that confidence? The reason is very simple. We always treated English as a subject. Hello, are you listening? You treated English as mathematics, as physics, as chemistry, as geography. You never treated English as language. That is why what happened is you studied grammar, and jodi mu apanku grammar ro 4-5 ta question pachar debi, you will be able to answer also, but you will not be able to speak confidently. Why? Because you treated English as a subject, not as a language. Tell me one thing, when was the last time you learned Hindi in a school, or you learned Hindi grammar? When was the last time? You can't say, because you did not learn Hindi grammar to speak Hindi. What did you do? So, without learning Hindi grammar, how can you speak English? How can you speak Hindi so nicely? Because you surrounded yourself with Hindi songs, Hindi movies, Hindi serials, Hindi news. You surrounded yourself with Hindi, listening, bandhugana. When the listening is good, the speaking becomes better. If you listen to a language, you can learn it. So, my dear friend, English ku jodi amuku better career achi, we don't have to start from grammar. We just have to listen more and more, watch more and more, read more and more English. We have to surround ourselves in English, and then we can be confident in English bandhugana. But how to surround ourselves? Amaro office re, amaro ghore, amaro sangasathi, they don't talk in English, right? They talk in Odia, in local language. So what to do? That is the reason why you should spend 10 rupees a day and join our online platform, because you will get that environment bandhugana. There are people, block development officers, advocates, lawyers, doctors, IT professionals, nurses, MBA students, engineering students, people who are working in various companies, organization, mining ray, textile ray. They all are a part of this Odisha Digital Coaches Hub online platform. Bandhugana, you can be next. Lot of transformation has happened. You are next. That's all I will say. Before I end the video and give you the choice to enroll yourself at just 10 rupees a day for next 100 days, that means 1000 rupees only. Before I give you that choice, there is only one thing I would like to tell you. There are a lot of people who pay money. Money is no more a problem for people these days. You know what is the problem? The problem, my dear friend, is patience. The problem, my dear friend, is focus. The problem, my dear friend, is consistency. If you don't have patience, dharja, if you don't have focus, dhyana, and if you don't have consistency, consistency ओडिया मुझे जाननी, but if you don't have consistency, then you will never be able to finish something that you started. It's very nice to join a gym, feel stylish among girls, or girls feeling stylish among boys. It's very nice to join a gym. It's very nice to start something like playing football, or trying to take care of your health. But for how many days? 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days, uske baad you are push. You're not doing anything. You're not able to wake up anytime. What's the point of paying money if you don't have consistency, my dear friend? So remember, you need to not just pay 1000 rupees. That's a very small amount for your growth, for your future development. 1000 rupees is nothing. It's like peanuts. You spend 1000 rupees just like this on a pizza, on a movie, hello, on a popcorn. Not a big problem, not a big deal. But what is the big deal? The big deal is your commitment, your consistency, your focus, and your patience for next 100 days with focus. That's all I would like to say. Now coming to the point, please go ahead, check the button below this video. You will find two links. One, you can pay 1000 rupees and straight away join our classes. The classes are going on. Okay, you can join at any given point of time and get the access to our recordings as well, and we will help you, okay, to improve your English fluency. The second link, if you still want to upgrade to public speaking level, if you upgrade to gold, you will get silver free. If you upgrade to diamond, you will get gold and silver free. So if you want to upgrade to professional communication or public speaking, there is a link below the button where you can get a free 15 minutes call with our expert and talk to them about other programs. Okay, so you have two choices: pay 1000, start taking action, or get some more clarity by getting on a call. Thank you so much for patiently listening to me. That's it from my side. Remember, English तो एक language है, communication समंदर है. English तो एक language है, communication समंदर है. जो समझ गया इस बात को, वही धुरंधर, वही सिकंदर है. Thank you so much. This is Srimay, Odia Medium School pass out, but communication skills specialist. See you in my class.